In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly add variants, images, and prices using the new Shopify admin. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to get the most out of its features, I'm here to guide you through each step and ensure that your products stand out online. Let's begin by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to go to the My Store section. This is your main control center where you can track all aspects of your online business. Everything starts here. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you're going to click on the Products tab. This is where all your current products are listed, whether they are active or still in the process of being set up. After you're in the Products section, you'll see an option to Add Product. Click on this, and it will take you to a new page designed for product details. It's like having a blank canvas for you to showcase every item in your store. Now, it's time to delve into the specifics of your product setup. Let's focus on the visual aspect first, which is incredibly crucial for any online store. Click on Media. Here you can upload images of your products. Quality images can really make a difference in how potential customers perceive your products. So let's make sure you use clear, high-resolution photos that accurately represent what you're selling. Remember, multiple images from different angles can provide a more comprehensive view. And if you have variants, you can even upload images specific to those. Next, let's talk about pricing. In the pricing section, you can set the base price of your product. This is how much your customers will pay. Additionally, it's a good idea to fill out the Compare at Price if you plan on offering discounts. Doing so shows customers the value they're getting, which can boost sales. Transparency here is crucial for building trust with your customers. Finally, head over to the Variants section. This feature is especially useful if your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles. In this part, you can add all the various options available for each product. Simply enter the new option type, whether it's size or color, and then list each variant that's available. Keep in mind that each variant can have its own SKU, price, and inventory level, ensuring precise management and control over your inventory. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to expertly navigate Shopify's new admin system to add variants, images, and prices with ease. Remember to keep your information accurate and up-to-date to provide the best possible experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and tutorials.